In this video, we will walk you through the process of generating API credentials for the Shopify system. Initially, you need to access your Shopify account and then move on to Settings. And just scroll down and go to the Apps and Sales channel. Then you need to click on Develop Apps. And then create an app. For instance, here we are giving the name as DCKAP Integrator and creating an app. Then you need to configure Admin API Scope, where you can give access to all the APIs related to customers. You need to provide access to all the APIs and then click on Save. After that, go to the Overview and click on Install App. As you can see, all the API credentials have been generated successfully. Reveal the token and copy-paste it in a secure place. And then go to DCKAP Integrator. Log into a project and click on Add New System. Validate Shopify credentials by clicking on Shopify and then add a new credential. Give the host name. Enter the password you saved in a notepad or secure place. And the username. Save all the details. Now, as you can see, the credential has been added successfully. Test with the fresh token. Thank you. Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.